and welcome back to this week's show. Before we start, I want to remind you all about what's coming up on the Card Maker calendar. First of all, we've got St Patrick's Day, March the 17th, and that's all for our lovely Irish crafting friends and colleagues all around the world. Go on the website Craftsuprint and see what we have, and you can choose a special one just for that special person and send away. Mother's Day, March the 31st. Obviously we want to spoil our lovely mums, and where can you get a unique card from and personalise it yourself? On Craftsuprint. Lots and lots and lots for you to choose from there. Easter, I feel it is really late this year, 21st of April, and again there's so many Easter cards for you to choose from on the Craftsuprint website. Search away and choose and send them to all your family and friends. Now, before I give you this week's freebie, let me show you a short tutorial all about how to upload your finished cards on Craftsuprint. All right, thank you. Enjoy. Okay, crafters, are your creative juices flowing? Are you feeling crafty? Get those printers ready, ladies and gentlemen, because it's freebie time! Woo! Look at this gorgeous baby boy sheet designed by our exclusive designer, Lorraine Appleby. The cup number for this week's giveaway is cup 362-669_1566. This sheet design comes with a month and a date slider so that you can personalise your special birth date. Look at this absolutely stunning card. I mean, it is, I say it every week, but this one is just absolutely beautiful. It's a keepsake, I would say. It's not just a card, it's something that you can treasure forever. And as you can see, it's got little butterflies at the side. Can you see there the way it starts the card off? It's just the edge in there, just a hole punch used there. I just think it looks absolutely brilliant to start it off. You've got the word, obviously, baby boy there as well, but it's enhanced with these beautiful butterflies. They're slightly tilted so they stand out like the decoupage. They're enhanced with a beautiful jewel inside. I just think it's wonderful. As I always say, it's the way you personalise them and make them look special to the person that you're sending it to. We've got some little baby boy ribbon here. We've got, look at those, can you see those little hearts? They're jewels. Can I tilt it to show you? But look at the sides here. Can you see there the way you can change it and make it even more personalised to the baby that's just been born, the lovely baby boy there. I mean, you've got the date, you've got the day. I mean, come on, ladies and gentlemen, and this is this week's freebie, so you can enhance it as much as you like and make it even more personalised. Okay, it's over to you, Anne-Marie, who will show you how to make this week's wonderful card. Over to you, Anne-Marie.
Hello, welcome to this episode of Cup TV. In this episode, we're going to be making a topper from Lorraine Appleby. The topper that we're going to use is the Baby Boy Birth Calendar Topper. You can find this on Craftsuprint under item number 3626669_1566. I will place the details at the bottom in the description box, and it'll also be on screen for you. You can find all of Lorraine's work by going to the website www.craftsuprint.com/Lorraine-Appleby, or you can use the new search facility at the top of the website by placing Lorraine's name in that and searching for it. Once you've got your sheet and you printed it off, you'll see it's got a main image, and there's lots of components and embellishments, and there's 3 cogs that are on the sheet. One is for days of the week, one is for months of the year, and one is numbers. You're going to start off and you're going to cut out the main image, the cogs and the embellishments of your choice. So I've already done that, and I'm going to start off with taking the main image of where it says birthday boy. Now you'll notice on the sheet there's 3 black dots. You'll need to punch holes in the 3 black dots, and then there are 2 words at the bottom. These will need to be cut out. So the first one was the day of the week and the second is the month. So what I've done is I've simply cut these out. I've used a knife to cut these out, but all will be revealed when we put it all together. So that's the main topper that you'll need for your card. So next what I've done is I've cut out the cogs that you need, and I've cut out the embellishments. Now to make this card you're going to need 3 brads, and those brads can be any size, any colour to match the actual topper that you're making. So Lorraine has also made matching inserts, which again I'll put at the bottom in the description box and put a link for you to be able to find them. So we're going to start off with our topper. Now it's very, very easy to create. We're going to take the first of our cogs, and in the hole that we've punched at the top we're going to put the cog underneath the hole, and we've also punched holes in the cogs as well. And we're going to take one of our brads and we're going to simply attach the cog underneath with the brad, and these are going to be done for each of the actual cogs that there are. So I'm going to do the date one first, which you can see at the top it spins, so you'll be able to pick the date of your choice. The next I'm going to do is the days of the week, and that's going to go for this hole here. And again I'm simply going to place a brad through the hole, and then I'm going to attach the cog at the back as we did for the days of the week. So I shall just open the little tails of the brad, and then the last one is for the months of the year, and this goes in the last section, the last hole that you've punched. Again, place the brad through the hole like that, and then add the cog and open the tails of the brad. So now you've got all the little sections that move, and you can pick the birthday of your choice and the date of your choice. So next I'm going to add this to my card front, and I'm using a 6 by 6 inch square card front. So what I'm going to do is just add a couple of glue dots, 3D glue dots, onto the back of the card, and then I can place this on the front. Now you're going to want either 3D glue dots or foam pads or something to be able to add this to your card, for the simple reason that you're going to be able to want to turn the cogs to be able to pick the date and the day and the month of your choosing. So you need a little bit of height underneath. The next thing I've done is the embellishments that Lorraine has included on the sheet. I've cut out the words baby boy and I've added 3D foam to them, and I'm just going to position them over the front of the words that are already on the topper, and this creates a lovely 3D effect. You don't have to use all the embellishments, but they are there if you want to use them all or just the ones of your choice. And lastly, I'll just add the butterfly, and that is the card finished. Oops. And that is a really gorgeous card, very unusual and very pretty for any newborn baby boy. Lorraine's got lots of choice available, so please check out her designs, and I hope you've enjoyed watching this Cup TV. Thank you very much for watching.
Well done, Anne-Marie. Thank you for showing us how to make that lovely card. Don't forget to follow Lorraine Appleby next time you're on Craftsuprint. And a very big thank you to her, Lorraine, for supplying this week's freebie. We would love to see the cards you make from our weekly giveaway. Why don't you post your photos on our Facebook group? This week, anyone who posts a finished card made from the weekly giveaway at Craftsuprint will receive a small prize from Crafty Bob. Thank you. Before I sign off, I would like to say thank you to the crafters who contributed to my holiday post on Facebook last week. It's very kind of you. Nice to know that you're there and you're listening. A big shout out to Manda Wharton. She's coming home to the UK, and then she's off to Italy to see Valentino Rossi race from his home track. And then she's off to Cyprus to look at buying a lovely holiday home. Very nice indeed. Gina Butler, a shout out to you too. Not long got back from Iceland. I'm looking forward to a week on the Isle of Wight later on in this year. I've never been to any of those, so have a lovely time. I'd like to hear all about it. Carol Dunn, she's just got back from a cruise around the Caribbean. She landed this morning at 5:30 from Jamaica. She said it was fabulous. Thought, oh wow, I've never been there either. Okay, and another shout out for Judy Davis. She's going to her caravan on a seasonal seaside pitch. She can come and go as she wants. Being a caravan owner, that's what you can do. Use it as you like. And I just must say, I do like caravan life. I absolutely do. But whatever you decide to do, enjoy being with your friends, family, or if you're going to visit people. But you know what? I absolutely love this country, and I think if we had the weather here, we wouldn't need to go anywhere else. Okay, crafters, that's all from me this week. So remember to click on Crafty Bob and subscribe and share all the freebies with your crafting friends and all your crafting groups, and see you next week. Bye!